What's the next step? Where do we go from here? Of course, Cardano has been labeled as a security by the Securities and Exchange Commission, which resulted in distrust on the part of the investors, and the ADA coin price has been set to the lows. But we're not going to sit there and watch Cardano ADA fade into thin air. Most people have given up on the platform, but there could be a thread of hope that ADA could hold on to. Following the SEC's announcement of securities and its attack on Coinbase and Binance, the streets of the crypto market have been painted with several bearish news. And now, in the bearish forecast for Cardano ADA, popular digital currency analyst Benjamin Cowan suggested that the digital asset could continue to deteriorate for the remainder of the year before bottoming out. During a recent strategy discussion, Cowan emphasized historical market trends to suggest that Cardano may not hit its nadir until 2023 has closed its curtains, highlighting the ADA Bitcoin ratio as a key metric to monitor, and further noting that if the pair drops to roughly 4 millionths of a Bitcoin, it could signal a turning point for the smart contract platform. According to him, judging from the last cryptocurrency market cycle, we know that it can last for another 5 months or something before the cryptocurrency hits the bottom. The analyst put in that predicting exactly when a market will bottom out is a challenging task. As reported, Cowan expressed his beliefs that observing the ADA Bitcoin valuation and its ability to sustain its lows could be more profitable in the long run. If the pair drops to the 400 Satoshi mark and manages to hold on to that level, entering a position could start to make sense, although not entirely discrediting the possibility of ADA rebounding in its USD pair if Bitcoin rallies. Cowan underscored the challenges of investing in ADA if it continues to lose value against Bitcoin, as the risk-adjusted returns are not as attractive as just holding Bitcoin during this phase of the market cycle. Reports from Crypto Globe indeed show that Cardano has been struggling, but the cryptocurrency's trading volume, active addresses, and social dominance have all recently reached yearly highs. However, the good news does seem to be stirring up again. According to the firm's chief legal officer, Dan Gallagher, the popular commission-free trading platform Robinhood is rethinking its support for multiple cryptocurrencies in light of the SEC's crackdown on crypto exchanges. These include ADA, among others. To an extent, this is great. It could help fix the damaged investor sentiment about Cardano. But for now, the critics won't stop raging at Cardano. The Cardano founder, Charles Hoskinson, is doing a good job putting these critics in their place. But when will this end? Would it be when Cardano ADA finally hits the roof? Recently, Charles Hoskinson has addressed the co-founder of Valkyrie Fintech, who claimed that the issuance of Cardano was illegal and he may be prosecuted for it. Yes, the SEC claimed that Cardano's native token ADA is a security, but Charles Hoskinson rejected those allegations. ADA is a security. His team made a lot of money on it. A Twitter user, swan.ada, published part of a recent podcast hosted by entrepreneur Mario Nawfal and crypto trader Scott Melker, in which co-founder of Valkyrie Stephen McClurg was one of the guests. When asked about cryptos and security, Stephen McClurg stated that he believes many cryptocurrencies to be securities under the US law, and Cardano ADA is among them as one of the biggest coins that have been mentioned by the SEC recently. McClurg mentioned the way Cardano was issued and distributed, adding that Charles Hoskinson and the dev team made a lot of money on selling ADA. Swan ADA tweeted, "At IOHK Charles, you're being accused by @Stephen McClurg that your issuance of #Cardano was illegal and that you will be prosecuted for it. Are you going to address those accusations?" Hoskinson tweeted a response to that allegation stating, "Notice they never use facts or fully explain. Also, who registers? What gets filed and disclosed?" Some time ago, when refuting the SEC's allegations about Cardano being a security, Hoskinson tweeted that the original financing came from Japan when the blockchain launched in 2015. When Hoskinson performed an ICO for Cardano in Japan, the blockchain earned the nickname Japanese Ethereum. This is nothing but the truth. These updates are quite disturbing, but let's go down the thread of hope Cardano ADA might have even in this tough period. In a recent video, crypto analyst and trader Dan Garmedello drew the attention of investors to a very significant pattern from XRP. Why is XRP getting involved? Well, you'll get your answer shortly. Cardano's battle with the SEC has been 2 weeks old, but XRP has been in this situation for a couple of years. The SEC's announcement threw ADA off balance, thus sinking into the lows. However, despite the year-long legal battle between Ripple and the SEC, XRP has not lost its relevance in terms of price. Perhaps Cardano ADA needs to stay steady and prevent this disadvantageous situation from thwarting its position and set goals in the crypto market. This won't be easy because investor sentiment is involved, but it wasn't easy for Ripple as well. Whatever Cardano is going through right now, Ripple has been there. Well, some of the latest developments in the case have led many to believe that Ripple may have a real chance at triumphing against the SEC. Nonetheless, not everyone agrees with those views. A prominent member of the crypto community, Max Kaiser, thinks that Ripple has no chance of winning this fight, stating, XRP ain't gonna win their case. Max Kaiser tweeted that Ripple and XRP will not triumph over the SEC because this battle was never about the law, adding the battle of cryptocurrency was marked for death and Gary's job is to take it out. His tweet read, "As I keep telling you guys, the SEC swept away the independent crypto exchanges and players to make room for BlackRock, Wisdom Tree, Fidelity, etc. to get in #Bitcoin. XRP ain't gonna win their case. This was never about the law. XRP was marked for death, and it's Gary's job to take it out." Moving forward, in his analysis, pseudonymous crypto expert Mags said XRP currently has one of the cleanest setups so far, and its next stop would be 68 cents and higher if the crypto asset manages to pierce through the 55-cent resistance. Also, in the latest report by CoinShares, XRP has once again emerged as a clear frontrunner in cryptocurrency-focused investment products, experiencing a significant surge in inflows. Consequently, XRP-focused investment products have amassed positive year-to-date inflows amounting to $6 million, and the significance of this data is further underscored by the overall state of the market, which has witnessed outflows amounting to a staggering $226 million. This should be the perfect definition of resilience amid adversity. Well, the Cardano founder has not been fair in his remarks to Ripple. Last year, after delivering some comments on the problem he had with the XRP community and the project itself, Hoskinson was called out for saying similar things about Bitcoin developers and not coming to a conference to which they will be invited because of some insults on Twitter. At the time, he tweeted, "There is no point inviting toxicity into your life. It's abusive and pointless. Even in saying it now, there are mocking baby memes. Life is too short. Move on and cut it out. XRP provides no partnership or technical value. The community is toxic and petty. I can live without it." As expected, Hoskinson's post caused a huge barrage of tweets from XRP fans and community members who would not tolerate such a sentiment towards their favorite cryptocurrency. Some even stated that they would no longer support Cardano and sell off their holdings. And surprisingly, some Cardano holders rushed to defend XRP in its community as they tend to hold both ADA and XRP and do not want to choose sides. Things got heated in October of 2022 when the Cardano founder claimed that he was a target of trolling and harassment by the members of the XRP community. This eventually led to the blocking of several Twitter accounts. But now things have changed. Hoskinson offers to regain peace with the community, although it is not yet clear what could be the action plan. Still, this sounds good. In a surprise statement, the Cardano founder asked the XRP holder community if they are willing to find peace. A section of the crypto market participants considered it as Hoskinson's way of uniting the crypto community in wake of the SEC's recognition of Cardano ADA as a security. A few suggested that Hoskinson hold a Twitter space with the XRP community to officially put an end to the public criticism. He tweeted, "XRP community, peace?" Notably, two tokens are taken head-on in the fight for the market share among the top 10 cryptocurrencies. While XRP's price is currently trading at just above $0.50, Cardano ADA's price is at 28 cents. With XRP and ADA ranked 6th and 7th respectively in terms of market value. While this call for a truce is a sober action on Hoskinson's part or not, this could be a profound strategy to establish unity between both cryptocurrencies. Plus, there could be a drawing strength of XRP by Cardano ADA. But that's going to do it for today's video. Make sure you click on the subscribe notification buttons, and we'll see you in the next video.